Let me go, man. What problem? What the problem?
Where you go? No, me just want
Pinky, where you go tell me, say? Where you go tell me, say? Where you can't tell me, say? Talk to me about what? After all of this, look what me do for you. And that is how you thanks me get. You have good man, don't know for deal with good man, you know.
Come here now.
Just leave me now, man. Leave me now. Just leave me, man. I don't know if you deal with good man. All my years I've been a good man. Let me go, man. Just let me go now. Talk to me about what? What is there to talk about?
Feel me sorry for what me do. I don't know why you go. Just please stay with me.
You sorry you never burn me up. What that you mean for say? All my years I've been a good man. Me work 24/7. Me don't know way me not give to you. And these are the thanks. These are the thanks. The latest you get. All the gadgets, everything I have me pour out to you. What else you could ask her?
Me don't even know what happened, B. Honestly, me don't even know what happened. Maybe me head me end up on my body. B, me don't want you go. Just please stay with me.
No. Everybody. You use condom? Answer me! I deserve an answer.
Yes. Please,
If somebody tell me so this is happen, me not tell them some my mother is with a must be a man. These are the thanks. What we do for deserve this? Oh man, you're wicked, so. Look, man, it. My underpants, my shirt, my cologne, my food. Pinky and me work and buy them here. Pinky, you don't work. All you do is sit on my yard. That's the luxury of what other woman don't have.
B, even if you're not stay, I just beg forgiveness. Please.
Pinky, just
Everybody
just
make
leave me
mistake and nobody
just leave me out.
perfect.
Just leave me out. This
Please,
mistake is the worst
perfect.
mistake. You could have done me anything but cheat from me, Pinky. Pinky, what me do for deserve this? Pinky, of all the things you think of,
me,
no,
please,
of all the things you think of, man.
I can't do it. Babe, you know me had something to talk to you about though. Like, me been a consider if I say it to you or what, but eventually we have to talk about it because it go show.
It a go show? What you talk about?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? Right now, babes, we don't even know how that are going on. I can't make my wife know about this now. You're pregnant? Right now, star. You know, so what you plan to do about this? You can't make my wife know nothing about this now, babes. I know it's a tear up my brain, star. I don't even know what to do. I think about my wife, my family, right now. You know, star. Jaja. Wow. So, what you plan to do about this?
What you mean by what me I gonna do about this? Are the two of we in there? Are the two of we have to do something about it? Because you did already know say you're in a relationship before you come mingle with me. So the two of we are gonna figure out something to do.
One thing, you know. You have to just get rid of that.
What you mean by get rid of this?
I can't make my wife know nothing about this right now.
I'm not gonna throw your child outside of my belly. So we have to go, like, we have money. We can just go somewhere, just forget about everything behind you and come.
Listen to yourself. What make you so heartless? You really want me to abandon my family? Eh? Right now, I have a young baby palm breast. Wait, listen to yourself. You're mad? Why me abandon my family? Eh?
You did already know that she
What
have
you
a
talk
family.
about?
And you still come mingle with me. You not abandon your family, but you want me to abandon my family. Me not that should have pick me. Me a keep you. And you see if you don't mind me a come up here and go sit down by your veranda.
My veranda? My veranda? Mama, we know what to do with you, here. You know what? Come out here. Let go from me. Let go from me. Let go.
Mama, we know what to do with me up there. Or me we know what to do with Mama up there.
This is not me, you know. This is not me. I can't leave my family. I do something reckless. And we have to work out that. I can't leave my family.
But I not like me come to you and did I tell you to leave your family in the beginning. Me just did I simply ask you what we are going to do about it. And it seems like you just want to lift the burden upon me, lift everything to me.
So, if you know that shit way, I mean I left my family. So what we are going to do? We are going to do this in a secret same way?
This is not how me did plan for raising pick me, you know. Honestly, we never want to raise a child like this, but we're already in it. So we have to just continue until we can come up with something to do about it. But this is not what we are going to do indefinitely, you know. But just give you some time to figure out what you are going to do. Because we have to come up with something to do about it.
Okay, fine. Fine. But don't come to me yard, you know. Remember, say the secret. I have to leave you now, so I call you when I reach in.
Try and make sure you call me, you know. Because if you don't call me, your wife when me I call.
You saw me I work with you? Don't bother with the foolishness, you know. Me call you when I reach up. How you get my wife number?
Don't worry yourself. Me have all our mother number too. Just make sure say you call me when you reach up, you know.
Girl, I can't lie me for one man. Enough time I don't hear lonely girl and one man. I'm sure I don't know anything already. I say me I come link you.
Wait there. Pinky, where you said to me a while ago? You are one man?
Some know somebody.
Oh, you're so sassy. Calm down, man. Don't get me wrong. Not that the way they mean. But anyways, how comes you lonely? Talk to me.
Girl, I'm lonely. 3 months now, I don't get one sort out in a girl.
I lie.
I'm I feel like I want something, girl. Right now, I have a priest and I want to buy one deal that I want to buy later.
No, girl. We just never know say you come down. Isn't me? But nobody feel shame. Isn't me? Cause right now, even though me have that man up there, I still have to be thinking in my draw. But I believe it. Anyways, so why you type?
Girl, I like the man them with Sally Shambroon and Maga. You know, Maga man have a buzz.
But let me ask you a question, Pinky. You're slim and all, and you say you want a slim man, don't? I wonder if you know a slim man have the thing, the real tall thing, right out. You can manage that?
I say I want a Maga man with the buzz, girl. You know, me I say, I'm like in the ear, me I say, girl. But I must can manage if me I tell her what I want, the type what I want. I want the Maga man with the buzz. The buzz. Girl. Just let you.
I don't want to give you a Maga man and then you end up that's you reach a hospital, you know. You sure you can manage?
Girl, if you give me man, you give me man.
You like that one?
The one, yeah. Yeah, girl, the one have a buzz. She's quite nice. Give me phone. Let me see him.
Anyways, you want me to call him or something? Mama! No, man, you have to give me phone. You want me to call him or something?
Yes, right now. Call him right now.
Mama, you sure you can manage? I don't want a normal piece of boy this end.
If you give me man, call
I
him.
just want your girl. I don't want your say. I go. Yes.
Are you want him man or Rami? Call him man.
Yo, Kelani. Me there you gate, you know. Me see all of Miss call them, man. Me busy on the road today.
How are you at the gate? Alright, may I come. Why you down? You go people are call for your phone and can't get you.
Yo, me busy on the road the whole day today. Yo, but I want to go.
My youth, come on for a bite. I go over there to go chat.
Alright, no problem.
So you see, you call me the caller today?
Mm.
Because my friend come link me and saying only he want a man. But he be specific with the type of man we want. You understand? One slim man will have a buzz. You understand?
But me no slim.
Well, the picture I share with you, she okay with it. So the only thing right now is to make sure so you can work your thing. You understand?
Right now you see a lot right now. Me see one picture with her now. Me see what she look like.
Jaja, but even I left the phone on here. But anyways, me WhatsApp him if the picture to you and make you see. But remember, you know, come on, be specific with how you want him to come not to one tarry out here. Make sure so you can do your thing good enough. You understand?
Right. Yo, don't worry yourself, man. I know if you deal with me thing. Just WhatsApp me picture, isn't me?
Yeah, man.
Alright. New girl, I hope I want thick as dream, got the big out and chest push.
Seasons change.
I mean, me born, me get pan altar. If me not know you,
the wind whispers.
Jesus' love is a bubbling over.
For me, you left your throne and traded the crown for thorns instead. Actually, I know. Sing your.
we must sing on
You
gospel.
make me feel like a knight.
Me not think on gospel one.
Anything.
I remember mama and the love.
May I get emotional?
that
May I make
she
you sing that
gave
one
me.
at yourself? You know?
Kneeling by her bedside, I could still hear mama say, the people are depending on you, Carly. Don't you let them down. I remember mama in a happy way. We
My
went to
acting skills
school
are come along.
with hopes in our shoes. We didn't have much, but the Lord saw us through.
Happy Mother's Day.
Had a lot of love way down deep inside. Yes, it did. I remember mama in a happy way.
What one?
Where you are going at night, yeah?
You talk about with me I go. And where you a go them time of hours you look so hot.
No, see, don't me yard, me I go do.
Oh, Brownie, you know it's a long time I like you.
You like me, so long you take to tell me that.
But I wouldn't mind could I know more about you, know? Where you go out and search where you want to go. Do some skydiving and thing you want, you see me? All for me, you know? Oh, you bite up your lip themselves like in a mood, man. What you say about that? not tell no lie, me enjoy it, you know.
Me too.
Wow, when I wish if me can see all that time, if you have a look comfortable, you know. How to do it in a very comfortable.
Yeah, because I'm never ready for done yet.
Alright, me have your number still. So me will call you because I don't want to keep you out too late, so time already late, so. So, we'll link up, yeah?
Alright then.
Alright, no problem. I'm gonna go on the whole road tonight. Wow, what a night.
My youth, what may you say go on with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
When you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing where you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me a try to make it work. A long time we a try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things, eh? What problem?
No, man. You get some bad to us. You just go accuse me. I want to tell people say you're gallus. I'm from us, you're no gallus. Eh? You're one burner, man. Who could have called me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you're no gallus. Probably me might see you 6, 7, 8 gal on the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
A boy
upper
think
Kerry
that.
me I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where I come from right now. Kerry tell me, say, you, I know you know Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me, eh? Brother, me no depend where you depend, you know. Me no depend where you depend. Guess what you gonna do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know, me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say, no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I show me that one, do something idea. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you do? Put it down. You can't even beat your woman a yard and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright, everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, palm man, chocolate there.
Next time, clean up the place, you know.
Mix them and mix it up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry!
Oi,
Papa,
but there.
you know where Papa me I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa me I come from right now.
What going?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty gritty. Cause me can't bother
So
to
my
mix up.
youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. Me not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm tell you, I go back to
I can't take it mix up. Me have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I just ease myself. I'm a woman me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? Me have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him sit down.
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? Eh? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up my name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! I him. I come on, they come talk about me, I watch him. But me I tell people boy my girl is when man a girl is a girl clown. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, stop follow me, man. We are talking about. How me so me do? You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at this shit with me. Yo, me lick you long enough by you. Me want to lose blue man, you know. You see me lose blue man? Me want to lose blue man. You see my friend? Just wait. Me want to see you. Hold me.
Easy yourself, man.
Come on, you place. See how you? Just wait. Me want to see you on the road.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back my name. Me know what people business. Me tell you already, people business jump on my foot. And once you jump on my foot, it they go kick. So top.
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Aye, easy yourself. What you say me call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a renter Jed. Not me yam not a rent like him. And I can talk about me say him a girlis. When me know say him a girl clown already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a girlis?
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see Kemar down so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen what me did say yesterday. Me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is girl fool. And you can't tell the man about me I walk up and tell him what my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night there, you know what I mean?
One of them
on
night.
my birthday.
One of them night.
On my birthday, man. You know me, you know, birthday. But yo, love my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's about this business. One birthday, it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
Calm down, little man. Calm down, man. Wanna ease in yourself.
On my birthday.
Wanna ease in yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Because I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on. Go on, come out that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on, yo, see how you go.
Go to my house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, you everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Welcome, brother.
I want over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
No, go on, man. Just be, my brethren will link up over there so we are talk about, you know, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, you know, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link here, you know.
Call link me? What you mean call link me?
I mean, I come link here, yes, get a link, and we can do some of them something, you know? Do. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on the hey, move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send you to the fence and lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What, oh me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, I come check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me. Soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again. Alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy. Just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, if I say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, you know, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess I know a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you this.
Hello, if you are going to tell me so you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can come on.
Until boy, until.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my man?
Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, you know? I know you come and look this a girl. You one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there so I look one girl and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that?
Come here,
Boy, it's a girl not easy at all. If I really tell somebody this, they never believe me. No, sir.
Yo, my general, is there a piece of paper here? Yeah. I don't care about it, I don't get it done in there, you see me? Yeah. You see me? Yeah. Alright. Yo, deal with it now.
Yeah, deal with it, man.
Just relax yourself, no, man. I done kill all things already. You don't need to fuss up yourself. Relax, man.
Alright, don't do that. Anyways, I have a party. One more invite you. So it's on the 12th of August and it's a breakfast party. It starts at 7 a.m. until night. Yeah, come or you not come?
Yeah, man. We come. We don't know, sir. We don't plan to stay too long, and I'm just a commanders. Buy one drink and eat a food and cut. Party vibes and thing. Plus, man just get shut up a party the other day and something, so I think about them things, you see me?
I'm no business about that. More if I come, I'm a party, I need the support, I'm no business about Andrew Oldness, and I need you to stay. A lot of parties keeping, and I need some money.
Alright, know yourself, man. Never fall. But if you ain't charge me 80,000, order dollar. I'm so far out of there, man. You give me a call, man. You ain't here.
I'm so far under the man, no one I do on us. Are you going to check anyway this one tonight?
Sure, but you know, I'm come, alright?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, Papa, you see I go on now?
You know, since I got in my book, and kind of get a look at one piece, you know, I just feel emotional, love it, but
yo, what, Papa?
shocking.
Look how you finish telling me that story. You know, take that call, see? So just go and hold him, man, Zane.
Little girl, come here. Can I do something for me? Can I do something for me, please? You know the brown girl you from this up? Bully shot, the little brown shot girl, you know her?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to give her this for me, here. Give her this for me, here. Thanks.
Little girl. Come and see Pepe. I will give it.
The man up there, so give me.
I brown girl over there, so bully shot. A she ain't give it figure?
Yeah.
Alright. They'll keep you can go on. Are you going to send in the little girl and send me that piece of paper?
Yeah, I make her. I make her figure somebody down this up. But how you come by?
Don't worry about that. You know, say girl no want you. You know how long me see ya right later send go by ya. I mean never see girl make an attempt to come contact you or anything. You know say girl no want you.
Kira, You left all the way from down so. Down there so. Come up here so. Why can't you allow my business alone? Eh? Give me paper. Give me paper. Give me paper.
Lucky.
I'm going with you.
As a matter of fact, it's only two people them down there so they keep the party, the man and the woman. And the same browning where you fish off. You know, so the man where keep the party and him have the browning. And the man having woman in and the browning, no. By the way, if you don't believe me, you can't come. Stop look people who don't want you and look who want you.
Yo, Papa, come in. Give me 2 grand, brother.
You can't believe it's really the 2 grand. You really are lay wait me for. I said we come down.
Our mission to go deal with it no bad now.
You're not good for borrow. You're not really good for borrow. See there.
Hey, look what I'm this up.
Uncle Papa made them better look fun. Him and man in an argument over 2,000. You know?
That's why your grandma can't agree and mind people business too much.
Stop it nice. No bother with grandma thing. You know the girl when you bully her?
Yeah, you don't go well live right down this up.
Yeah. And I said they quarrel. And I know 2,000 they quarrel over. Papa and the brown girl not think that the man want the brown girl. Them a come.
Everything good, man. You're not good for borrow.
I say, girl, big bad party I keep a suave. Yes, oh, I keep the party friend. Girl, me say, I reach here Everly big bad yellow party, breakfast party at that. That's the thing now. I want to change for you for borrow because I want to go support her, but I don't have a cash already there, so I don't know if you can help me with that little change.
Don't worry yourself about the money. They can give you money. I'm me a Richie side chick.
What you say?
Yes, girl. I Richie buy this a bus you give me. Me I go pick you up and we go to a party.
Alright, my friend.
You don't know what go on, man. Don't worry about the money. Me I go come pick you up and we go to a party. Me have a whole heap of things to tell you. A lot of things we have to talk about.
Talk to me nice.
So babes, are really a flip right now?
Mama say tell me say I'm a police, you know, and he worked late shift last night and he soon forward.
Oh shit, me not to remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come. Put on your shoes. Already?
Wagwan.
Eh?
Hi.
I come to lock up the VGG, you see. But anyways, it's the rent money I come to give you, because I really don't like, come down here say, you know, them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, you know. But here we go, you know. I make a start out the rent, but let me lock up.
Little bit now.
Babes, you know so don't want that gear, but my period come down for me. But still, I want the rent money because my rent
No,
due.
I like your lips, yeah. I really like your lips. So nobody tell me about no period. And now, make period do period business. I am about the more business. So you say,
Babes.
listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to put down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And you get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
I don't have no problem for relax with your babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Man, I look as special now because today's a hot day to beef bar.
Kind of special one. Rum special. Or Pepsi. Rum and boom or Pepsi. What you want it?
Give me boom because my Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me
Oh,
boom.
yeah, say.
Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, I would.
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman only live Duggan Road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish one of them. And if I want to drive blue parada down there, sir.
Yes, man, I him same one. But what you know about him? Which division him? I may ask you too much question, you answer. Just give me special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, you know. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright, I'll see you, yeah?
alright, bye.
Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So babes, what man scan you scan me?
Not scan you. But I never scan you. But you just this me, you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. One something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. Okay, so you can never tell me before, you never tell me say you want the money, say you're there for your period. We could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, sir. Eh? Who will you take me for?
I'm not growing it, babes.
Listen,
You know
listen, right? You could have tell me from start say I see a period. Joke thing you depend on, but you're not serious business. Anyways, I'll go home, yeah?
Alright, babes, love you.
Love me. Just pay your rent.
Tell you that early, man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba!
Man has a respect.
Hey, you, watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp, just be careful. Play your game, play it right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. You hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then.
Aye.
It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
So much worse. What a good thing they go up another tree here. Oh God.
Yo, Papa!
Yeah.
Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here I go now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of, I don't know, I'm tired for big money to go on per night. But here I go, I'm not on choice. But I don't know if you can lend me one 10 grand. And
Well, Andy, if you can see you owe me already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000, which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother? Brother, a Kangal days and travel facts and them sitting there, you know, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember I used to let them boat for go out back in the days? Eh? In a grade 7, you remember them days there? I lend them things them and I get them back, you know. And you tear them from fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I know want to help me. Yo, you really know want to help me? Tell me for you want to help me?
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget them this. But remember, say enough money you owe me. I won't even know, like you want to chump change. The money you owe me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, me have to go for money around. So me only you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right there, so I go for money.
Alright, respect. But guess what now? Me don't want to look hurry, so send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send it with that.
Yo, respect our man as the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, what you say? We go pay back man, the 15, the 10 and the 40. Because you know what I mean, we work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So we can't kill it, come on. Here, boss.
That's all. You come back if you know my money to borrow again. That's all you know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week. Next week can't come out now. Next week.
So Shelly, I win at the court date.
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, say if you get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about
Shelly.
it.
Yeah, sister. I know your safety me I think about right now. Serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And you think, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think and know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful of what you do.
I know, I know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one look man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
I'll figure out something. I have to figure out something before I get out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know she said in a curtain you want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but me work pan forget to clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them and handle too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some of the time. You just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You going here? Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, you know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like so if we just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't have a little bit of money I tell me about. Because I'm in a run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We'll do it for one whole heap of money. We're not do it for a little bit of nothing. But anyways, I'm going to make some call. Hey, you know, so I like your nose ring. Do I wish I buy?
Cool suit, DDs, and Macy's.
So which part are located? Because I know that nose ring is nice.
Well, cool suit and my business.
Oh.
And sometimes when we run out, we can get your Macy's or DDs where they sell here.
Oh.
I'm never born in a lace.
Hey.
Ashani roar me a fella.
Oh, so Ashani made this sing at them. Shani made sing song for Lord God. But I'm going to start shot the kind of going to have to come out.
I look damn good, brother. You have the skin, you have the body, you have the butt, you have the... You got it all. But you got to make it, you never make a mistake.
So your boyfriend is?
Me? Never man, Baba. Man a stress, problem and all these things. Me? single, free, and disengaged. Right now, I want one white man or one English man. I want one real businessman or one lawyer or something.
Well, man, them no matter to me as long as they drive and they have money, me alright. Because I don't like walk.
That means if you own a car.
No,
And
no,
a car
man.
mat.
Don't worry. I shall. In the name of God, Miss Woon.
Let it out in the universe, sister. The man all one man march up here right now and just tell us, say, yeah, you have me own a car mat and me I go put your name on it. Right, sir.
See you, so. Call it into existence.
But must so. Other things, I don't say we all want to go on the river today, go on a bath and a wash up.
Yo, no, I'm standing fire.
Fire.
Sorry, my manners, man. Hector Smith, known as Jota. Fire, my virgin still. You see me, I pass through the area, I say me that.
Ashley, your name? Ashley.
Yeah, man. What you name?
My name is Care.
Care, for real, man. Tell me, say, fire in the board door.
No fire in the day, but we there.
Yeah, we there.
No, we can't take on with you, but you know, say, you like your friends still, probably like drive out to that door. And then I take a walk. What do you say about that?
How would you know you like?
I do me like, man. Me like she too, you know, but...
Ready.
What's the way I want so far?
Okay.
What are you doing?
I see a car.
Brush off your dreams come true.
So, hold on up. Where is the fire in the board door?
I'm fire in the day, but we there. Come. We carry. I enjoyed that. Girl! Girl! You sick. Get up.
You just dream, say you're coming. You did at 6.
No, what the best I come up there? You say, girl. Me and the man go up on the road, and I walk up on the road. The man come ask me for front.
I'm just a dream, say you're going with yourself in a girl.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Say you're the man not going.
One with what? You want to do it in a car and that talk about how you want to make a yard or something. Them you know.
Tappiness. Watch this mix up one.
What?
You can duck quack.
It look like they deal with him.
You know, so I come here and go look for you, though. And when I look across the road, I say, we are road today. We are there, sir.
Oh, then deal with it, sir.
I'm going to come on my business. How no rate me as a friend? No, say something walk along.
Yeah, me know say you normally duck out, but you duck right out.
Right out.
Man.
Quack.
I'm jealous with me and my man.
We love you.
But now worry yourself. My man loves me.
But your jig is
My man loves me.
Alright, quack. Watch out. Hey. Got it. Quack. Yeah.
He's still a quack and go on the car.
No, sir. A dog.
They say girl mix up, but she quacks up.
You know, so do I mix up them so you watch people business too much.
Why about here? That's why man can go chat to your own.
Oh no. Babes. You know, so do we are going river though?
I move, man. Which river I go?
Big river, me I go. So you now come with me?
Can't go up on the river now, man. I make a slide up on the end. But I come back, come link you, man. I tell you, it's something more, man.
You want me? But you don't want to come on river with me.
Yeah, give me something on the river.
One.
Come on, look nice. nice. How do you see your name?
Maxine.
Quack quack.
Quack quack.
You look like you have money. You can't get a girlfriend.
Enough money, man, but what you know? Can't go back way in there.
Back way that one. Have you buy me 2 pounds chicken for the master?
Oh, yeah, talk some. I have money. Come in here, man.
Give me money first.
Come in here now.
2 pounds chicken. Rice.
Yo, your shit better than
Liquor juice.
No, let me show you something. Watch out. Watch out.
Give me
Look here. A foreign money may I give you quack. Cooler man, easy no man, just come in here, what is? Come in here, 20 euro that.
Alright.
Come in, how much food I can buy or clothes. Come in
That's
here.
your word.
Come in here, no man.
Like kind of lock certain way, so we can't take it home. You know what I mean?
Come in here, just come in here.
Take it on the back. Quack with you. Quack me. Ready?
Hey, you know, so I like your nose ring, do I wish I buy?
What me buy?
Ask her again.
Yes, sis.
Ask her again.
Oh, alright, tell me then.
Ready?
You know, so do
That's only dog.
Ready now.
No talking.
It again. Talk now, Jutta.
Talk now, Jutta.
I'm sorry about my manners, but my name is Hector
Ashley,
Smith,
my name.
aka Yaman Jutta.
Ready?
My name is Care.
No, I can't take on the weed though, but you know, I like your friend still, and I'll probably drive out with her or you know, I take a walk. You see me?
I'm just what you like.
I do me like, man. I like she too, you know, but
Ready?
what's the way I want?
Are you see there? Alright. You know, saying I make no sense, me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me for feel that way about the whole situation. I make no sense. Why this don't make no sense?
We can't deal with it like this. You understand? Me can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. Me know say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Cause I guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm going to know, say, oh, you have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know say me wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know say me wrong and everything, but me not have, you have to give me some time or something.
No time not there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, I know somebody come tell me, you know. I know somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here we go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somebody. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work.
Me here there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me here there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now if you put you out. You talk about shares. Share was the only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If I go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or sir, have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no
you know,
heart.
If you want to reach a police, make it reach a police. What you have to do, what you have to do. Enjoy your day. Do you start now?
What did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. I wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, you just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess right now, you see a girl that talk or kind of something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know, say me all a go around there too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
Why wonder Papa got some misery, man? Yo, Papa, forward there. Why, man? There, why free now? Why you come from up here some misery, man?
Why, I don't know. I was telling my friend, you know, some man pissed me off though. 3 months, no sex, nothing. Not one could choke. I mean, I want to go out there, go cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, my boy.
You know, so come to think of it. Me need to penetrate on the Spanish fly, no boy. That's a good idea. But wait, come to think of it though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because, you know, that's something make me hard and bad. So, I want it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm thirsty, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in them, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why, you know, make you feel up, you know, you have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard, you see it? You have to do the thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, roots up here now, you know. Oh, alright. Wow, man. See him for that. Alright.
So, Papa, how will they see a miserable? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim, I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here to help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go.
Tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum want, you know. The one that in my yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not even nothing right now. Blue balls me out to have you now. You man not even nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Right.
Really? That make you dare some miserable yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. I say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me from her hand. We put on clothes for her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know how she change and turn the other way around. So it's something or something.
Yeah, that really a go on? Man, I not get no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly. Cause that not sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But enough of she. Me get over she the on her own, you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can go on here, so. You don't know so me have my man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not get her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. When we can understand, explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, some man. You can't freak out through me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. You only thing pick up on my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. Don't do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And normal something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you're going so far. You hear them a sing song about lick lick. Normal something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you now lead me to straight. You and your lick and what you want to talk about on TV can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. All you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
That wicked your mom, but
yo, it's that brown in there coming forward, yeah. I try to think and see what I'm going because yo, she give me some eyes which did it. But I'm just going like everything smooth because I don't know it go already, you know? Don't want a one girl. I can't do the one girl thing, brother.
Yo, you have to have one woman, bro. Cause what you know? You don't make no sense. You don't run up and down with them bag of girl.
Yeah, but I try things still with a brown in there because long time she approve it. Rough.
Rough, man.
Yeah, man, she approve it, brother. Come on, say you're let's check it, bro, and that's what I want. So you're big up yourself, you know.
You say I'm a big one, man.
Yeah, man, a big one. Cougar, Roga. It is what it is, brother. Best of yourself, best of wife for me now. Alright. See inside, alright, man has a respect. Yeah, you don't know, so without Rasta, I can't nice, you know what I mean? Come out of the sun, we ever talk, man. It's a long time I see you, you know what I mean? Woo-yo, yes, Father. Hallelujah.
Speak your mind.
Speak my mind was stuck on you, you know, because I tell you, say, yo, a long time I think about you, you know. I just have to keep it cool, because I don't want to feel like I don't rush thing. A woman like you don't need no jump up and all them something. You need somebody to, you know, spend some time, you know what I mean, focus on you, make sure everything works smooth, you know what I mean. Because you look, to a Rasta, you don't share the same religion already, so that's our first step, you know what I mean. So, only thing we have to do is just maintain that vibe there and make it happen. But it's up to you still. I'm not rush you, I'm not force you. It's just happen. You know what I mean?
You look like you have something to say and you don't want to say it. Just speak your mind, man. May I listen?
Want to. Need
Get
it.
to the point.
I need it in my life. Let me tell you something, man. You're relevant. You're relevant to me. You're a big man and you know how to do the things then. You've been there, done that, and you know, say, at this point, you don't want nobody to play with you. You know what I mean? But me want you. You need it. You understand? So, I don't know if we can make it work and we want it to work. So just let me know if, you know what I mean, we can get started. I'm going to take care of it. I talk about take care, I don't talk about no half thing.
Hold on right there, son. Hold on there. You really think some me would want you?
Me?
For do what?
Last to get a proper massage. You know, when last man they rub on your body. You know what I mean? Caress you and make sure say, yo, you will penetrate straight. When last that happened to you?
You forgot something.
I'm forget.
Me and you are friends long time. Me not expect this from you. You don't know so me no want you. If me did want you, me would have a long time. You forgot to me you woman a friend? And you come and look me? Man like you, me not do it. Cause you seem like you go diss up your woman for me and me your friend. I understand you start talking about massage and one or something. Me explain my problem them to you. Don't bother with it.
So you really have put it?
Come on, me no want you, me your friend. We are friends.
Yeah, but we can excel to the next step.
Come on. No, me don't want you.
You sure?
Me sure so me no want you. We are just friends.
Everything good still. You done say what you say, and me done say what I say, just now work out. Everything good. Yes, sir?
My body you want to cut
no, man, that man. Everything good, man.
Stay with your woman.
Yeah, man.
Too much woman.
Holy man will lie.
Keep your things in your pants. And if you learn to satisfy, that me not like with you.
On here, yeah. Mama.
Afternoon.
So you do everything alright?
Yeah, man.
My God, I see me just a pass and I see him half a turn back. I don't know what I mean, something that strike me eye, you know? So, something I buy in that place, huh?
Not really, but you can buy me so much.
What you say? Service! That's a lady come like she hot like a fire. What about mama? Everything alright?
No.
Not alright?
No.
Come back to water.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
So tell me something, I mean, more, you know, me talk to you outside no more, you know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm nice to get to know you a little bit. Don't forget the water, mama.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Name Apple.
Apple name?
Yeah.
Oh, apple to apple, plum to plum. Hi! I'm here still, you know, I see me. Can't tell me yeah for you and thing, you know what I mean? Like a strong body and all these things. You know if something can work for you guys. You know, means that in a brother can take care of you.
So hold on there. So true you buy me one bottle of water down and shop a while ago. You feel like say you can look me.
Yeah man, you are going. This is start from, you know. You know what I mean? We can't go up and start at some place. We can't just get up and wait till it.
But me have my man.
You have your man?
Yeah.
I have my woman too. For some of the case so we can work out something.
You know say you're a dirty man. You have your woman and me I tell you say me have my man. And you still a dry it out, still a look me. As a matter of fact, hold back your water, me not thirsty. It's a dirty man, you. You just want jump in on my panties so. One bucket of water make all of this. As a matter of fact, go on home to your woman because me I go home to my man.
You alright too? Cause you look good, everything alright. Drink my water. Me thirsty. You not thirsty?
One month to your woman.
Come good. I'm going to try food. It's alright. Oh, go on, General.
Yeah, man.
Thing alright?
Yeah.
Yo, you see me? You have to try to be a girl it's like me. Yo, you see a girl? Yeah, man. I'm a girl like brother. If be girl it's like me, you know.
Girl is. What you say? Alright, my boss.
You know what I mean? Because look more, you know. You actually going to link up and we are going to go out and have a nice time, you know what I mean? Yo, you see earlier on, you have a brownie down so. And me a sort out and thing. Yeah, man, my girl, them this. Stand lane and my lane, brother. You have to be girls like me. Top man will be in the ear right general. See? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Alright. See, sir, what you mean? Fuck me down. Hold them.
Boy, girl clown can't tap make.
Joe. Me can't beg us on credit. No worry about that, man. Just send me some credit.
Alright.
You really send her credit, my youth?
Boy, if me send her a little credit, you know, cause she has sought me out to know anything. I'm gonna stay like the rest of man their way. We just deal with woman and not give them nothing. I'm gonna stay so.
Well, I don't really have no problem, you know. But every minute she call you and tell you that she want credit, you take up your phone and send credit go give her. I do even few man, so I don't see what you send her credit for.
Well, you can go and talk, you know, cause everybody have to share. I'm certain no say all the good all share too.
Excited credit coming. Hello. Girl, nobody with the excitement. Nobody with the excitement. Come. Where's that happen now? Hey! Me a come, girl. Me a come. Whoa, me a come. Why you this one here? So girl, why you tell me something if you call in and me see the walk come away they go?
Girl, this is a story I couldn't wait. I have to walk out meet you with it. Come sit down and tell you about it.
Okay. Brad, what you know, say I look for
Forward that someone. Consider yourself.
So Brad, what you doing on your side? What you want to do on your side?
Right no more. Not even want to this right now, you know. Cause enough dip on the brain right now.
The day after, you know. So you're not worried about nothing the day after. I don't know you can tell me anything, not true. So all it's just me off your head, I have to take them off, because my day after, but I still want to hear what's just you out and what you put your head still.
Remember Jaden, my older brother?
Yeah, man. Remember Jaden, man. All up to last week, I see him come from work up at hotel.
You know, say hotel you see me come from though. You know, you again look at them fire him. You understand? I did help do certain things right now. My mother is sick in the hospital. And I did do certain things. I mean, I was stressed. But anyway, I'm going to leave low.
Boy, I'm sorry for hear that, you know. So you can't get no more work. By the way, how you know so your brother breed that cat be the way you tell him about your brother breed? And your brother fi know, and you know instead of your brother.
A bag of things are going on. I don't even know what to tell us. John, no. I swear.
Remember Jay?
Jay. Which year that day?
You remember Jaden from Good Up?
Brown Jaden we used to go to high school with?
Him same one.
And he start work at Sanders now?
No girl, they fire him. And that make the story sweeter. You know Kayla?
Yes girl. So what happened now?
She nearly breed for Jaden.
So hold on there. Jaden not married?
Then night girl.
Hey! So hold on there. Where you get all them a story? Who tell them a story?
You know so we can't do to load it up still, but You will soon get it for him. Well, the people them wanna call me. So we attack, we link up. Alright girl, me have my hair for go deal with too. So we link.
Babes, you hear me I say?
Alright.
You listen to me?
Yeah, I listen to you. What you say?
A 3 year now with them, me ever give a reason. They say, yeah, me a cheat for you or something wrong. Or me have an ex girl out the road. Me not take care of you, make sure you alright.
Yeah.
So why you don't want to come live with me? You not comfortable with me? Babe, me not depend on the pitney thing. I want a comfortable life. I'm ready to settle down. I not depend on the cheating and go around and play business. You see me I say? More have your own and can protect you, make sure you're alright and everything good.
And I say I don't want to live with you and start the whole family and thing, right? But if I look into it, 3 years not long. You understand? And a previous relationship, them, my Russian never work. I'm really, really like you. You understand?
But everybody are not the same.
Yeah, but this one, I want it to be perfect. Like, they said nothing is perfect, but this one, I put my all in for this one.
And I do also.
And then the apartment I'm rent, it closer to my job and it's easier to go there.
Well, I will pay taxi time for you to take it to work.
Christina, look how man take care of you and spend money on you and everything. I'll get you along a nice place I work on thing. And I pay rent for your girl and thing and that. Yeah, I go on like you know, want to run some my book. Come out of my place. Come out of my place. I'm not going to put out online and you link them right now. Come out of here. As in I don't come back. I don't even pay rent. Go on like you know, want to run the club.
Just sit with me. Just sit with me this once.
Well, alright. I'll give you some time. Just think about it and make sure that everything works out well. Because right now, I'm tired of living alone. I go to work and come in, I have to cook for myself. I don't have nobody there. Night time, I'm boring. I'm tired of you talk to you on the phone. I need comfort.
I understand.
Okay. So, well, hold on. Hello? Huh? Alright, may I come?
Now what happened?
May I come? Be, may I have to cut you.
Now what happened?
Well, that's something I have to deal with up a yard. I have to deal with it now. Something I have to go up a yard and deal with. I have to cut.
You sure?
Yeah, I have to leave. Me call you.
Okay.
I make you know so everything alright. Alright, later.
Love you.
Love you too.
January star. It's like everyone go pay bad luck. January star. It's like everyone go pay crosses. My bad luck. Pay bad luck follow me. Now this boss I can go like say my body and my judge.
A long time I see this girl now. I'll call her.
How that?
Hey landlord. I money me come find a man.
Greg, just give me a little more time now, youth. You just have to understand how things are run with me now.
Every week me come check if you earn money, you give me your girl on. I mean I'm begging no front in a girl.
Why you just have to understand my situation?
I want to this money man.
Just give me a little more time. All me I beg you a little more time.
Let me tell you this man. I know pick up money and build me house, you know.
Ma, you just easily
This money, sir.
my situation, yo.
You said me come back in the next couple of days. I'm gonna get my money. Now put you out, yeah? I'm a done chat. Done chat, man. Chop.
Nice. Yeah, as usual. Call again.
Everyone is turn a stress, yo, like, me don't know, yo. How would they call me?
She call back.
Akim this.
Akim this rap alone.
What on, girl?
At ages me not hear from you, my friend.
I'm landlord, so give me some problem, so come me get for me to call.
Oh. We just did a call because a long time I don't hear from you and sitting so. Oh, okay. So we can link up today or something. Oh, okay. You know which one I live though? Okay. Here, when you reach a serve, you let me know. Let me direct you after. Alright? Alright, no problem. From the hotel, girl. You just left the hotel work. I don't hear nothing from you. I call you till a week. You just ghost spam me. What really did happen?
Girl, she ain't even know what going.
Talk to me.
Be things are going, me depressed and things like that. Me have family, nor nobody. Me just dip on my own.
Really?
Yeah, and things like that. Me just dip on my own. Then I get my second job and things even now run right there. So me just have to let the job again.
So, what you mean by your family and have your family? Like, what happened to you and your family? So, none of them can help, not even one cousin, auntie, nothing?
I don't even know where to start from. Because right now, my rent due, bills to pay, and it's like, I don't know where money will come from. And right now, it's like, I don't have no family. I tell you the last thing, but one of my aunties said to me the other day, you wouldn't even believe.
I could have for your auntie said to you, so that's...
She said, only thing what I hurt when me dead, what I hurt them when me dead, is money what they must spend for my funeral.
Why, Christine? Rough on you. But you just tell me a while ago, me didn't even want help. Me wouldn't even help. Wouldn't want them help me. Not even spend $100 for help me.
Girl, if she didn't even know, me glad when me see her call me. I rent, that's not true.
Yeah.
But I love if we could have moved in with you, go and pay a little rent, help you pay a little bills, till me get one of that work. Like, me easy to live with you, know. I will live with you and not even know what's me there. Me help you cook and me help you clean.
Alright.
Me just want you to help me out as a friend. And I don't for no long time, you know. Me don't have nobody else. I just you alone me have. And you alone me can depend on right now. Believe me.
Alright, may I help you? But here's what we are going to do now. When you look after your resume application at ASAP, because we depend on the road every day, so I could have just drop off it for you. I mean, know you as a girl with multitask, right? So just look after them something and good to go. Try to get one job quick and fast. So when you plan to come in?
Well, you know, say, my things them did around there already. May I go for them?
So this a girl didn't know something else say yes or something. She come prepared. they expect nobody not today. Still. Oh God. You mean to tell me, say, you not have not even one little spooky, one little boyfriend or nothing we can help you out?
Why, Kim, if me tell you how long me single right now, you wouldn't believe it. Me single 2 years and odd now. And in times like these, you can't only find one good man. And some of them are man a girl, some of them just dirty, some of them just want like anything they see they run towards. I could tell you when buck about one good man.
Me hear what you say still, but and every man stays so still. You understand? But come to think about it, 2 years in a relationship for girl. So we don't want you to touch up on things. The other part they go.
Kim, right now, sexually is my problem. When the feeling come out of me, just going like a cold water and then I mean that, so I'm gonna sleep. Right now, I never worth it for me run down sex because I pay this is the right place right now. So, and worse how me have so much I think about and so much to put together, sex not relevant right now.
So not even one bullet you have, girl. But anyways, over the side kitchen and over that the side there bathroom, you can catch right beside of me. So yeah, that's about it. If there's anything else I need to make you know, we will make you know.
Well, Kim, I really appreciate this now because family, I don't have no family that do this for me. Furthermore, I don't have no family at all. So I really appreciate what you do for me.
That's good, man.
I hope this is something at work. Like, you can't find one good movie.
Yeah, look for.
Like Jamaican movie, like one Richard Bromfield movie.
Oh, but anyway, you take him still have to go show you how to work the remote in case I'm not there.
Yeah.
But can they look like the place lock up long time, man, and then stop using?
Yeah, man. A long time the place locked down. That's how we come and stop to use it. Forward.
So you say you're going now, Candy?
About the partner I come to talk to you about. That's why I carry her up here. So I like if you give me first draw.
First draw?
Because I have something to start out. I have people that want me to start out. Some wouldn't mind you can help me. What you can do for me?
Yeah, man, that's no problem. As a matter of fact, me a piece of food in a bus, you know. Me have to bear it before we grow on, so you see me? No problem, man. First draw, remember say me have a friend, you know. Alright.
So differently though, you see I have new phone and things, like things that go on for you, me like it. Good. Wow, that taste good. Pick up yourself, my friend. Who buy it for you?
Between me and you, you know. I want a man them me I cannot buy for me, you know.
Alright. Okay.
So my next phone mash up and you just hurry up and buy it.
Between me and you and friend. If you stop there someday, you know. I cannot man.
I not settle down time yet. A matter of fact, let me tell you one story about them dirty man. Me did there with a man, you see? Just meet him and things, everything will turn out good. The man did marry them. I mean, you know. One day me go through his stuff them and me find one wedding paper. When he come from work, me ask him about it. He say no nothing. He always have baby mother out the road on this side. You know tell me, a people they walk me feel shame like a dog. All you said the man there with one woman up there and the woman 3 pitney them. Why you take me for? Me run him my man. Run him me shame like a dog. Me can't, every time I walk on the road me have to hold on my head. That's why me have to chop you now, Candy. Me no want no man use me.
Hold on there. So you really are going to use one man fat and fry every man?
Well, and they can do. Let me tell you the full 100. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, that's why me did left go country. I remember say me tell you say me pregnant. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, me say, he just coming like everything done right this so. Me tell him say me no want hear nothing, the relationship over and all in something. He man not have walk and trick me. Say me go do me this and do me that. But you see the good thing about it, Every time he do it, me go report it up a station. Tell him if he come out of the house, man, pack up in something them put out there so make him go on. Because if him there with one woman and the 3 daughters, he don't want me. He not going out there so make him stay out there, man.
You know say true? Enough of them dirty man they out there.
I tell you.
Not everyone. Some of them, but a whole heap of them they out there. Girl, me have story to tell you too.
Tell me.
This is the reason why I single. Girl, and as you see one man, you have to fall in a love, so we fall out quick. You're going quick, you come out quick. Me did take up one man. Him look so innocent. Look like I'm in church boy, you know we're ready to go serve God.
Yeah.
Because I'm ready to go give my life to God, you know. You understand? And when we take up the boy, you know, me have to call them kind of man, the boy, because good man now do them something. When me take him up, and me and him live, you know, mother take out everything when me have and give him. Him never have it then time they like to give me. So you know, say, if the man want high cement on me, because you see to me I say I want to settle down.
Yeah.
But some man not understand settle down, then just see a road and say, you know, say I love you and Ray and they tell you how I do me want to stay forever when they know deep down they're not ready to settle down.
You see? I saw them man stay. That's why me I continue chopping now. Candy, then come in and tell we nice things because they know say that we want here. And then have we round and round like a circle. Me not stop, girl. Anything out there when me want and a man can buy give me and pay down for what me want. Me no business. Me no business when nobody wants say a chopping time. You can't settle down with them a man a Candy. Them a no good man. Me no cut you. Continue. Tell me how the rest of it go.
Yes. As maybe I tell you about the little dirty man when me did there with before. Girl, me say, if you want ice cement, me give him. Anything at all you want, me give him as long as me have it. This sun in my eye.
Anyways, Candy, me not cut you know. But guess what? Me want to come from around so you know. Time to find me boundary. And as me tell you, me cannot stop chop. Me understand what me go through and you understand what you go through. We are human, so guess what? You good enough Candy, but you see the heart here turn black. So I choppings non-stop. You can't settle down in a Candy. I am a good girl, you know. Me I did good girl and me get burned. So I have to just continue this, you see me? Anyways, come on, I remember so me have the partner money for you. Watch out, Candy, watch out. One of them is a call me, you know. You see? Nah, stop chop. The next money when me have for you, I just me go call it. Hey babes, what's up? You miss me? You're a joker. You know, so me up on the road with my friend. So me if you come over your yard right now? Alright, no problem, me I come. Girl, what me say? Choppings.